Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Found some tasty-looking food. There's one! Wow! Dende was right! Even though we knew the androids were coming, we still couldn't stop them. Wait, I think there's something down there. There's a ship down there. Look at the shine on this thing. I bet it's delicious. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 6 stars. And that makes all 7. Whew! I was kinda hoping to do this without the Dragon Balls, but I'm not powerful enough to beat Cell on my own. This way, we'll have a backup plan if something goes wrong.
Looks like they're back in working order.
I'll say. Thanks, Dende.
I'll do my best to fulfill my duties.
Ah, this sharp young fellow will make a fine guardian.
So, are you ready for the showdown with Cell? That's great! Good luck!
Everyone was focused on the fight ahead, and before they knew it, the fated day of May 26th had finally arrived.
All right, time to go.
Don't you dare die on me, Goku!
Don't worry, I won't, Chi-Chi.
And my little Gohan better not fight!
What? Well,
Promise me, Goku! Promise me Gohan won't fight!
look at the time. Bye!
Hey! My little Gohan's going to fight. I can feel it.
Hey!
There you are.
It's almost time. Wait, where's Vegeta? Don't tell me. Is he in the hyperbolic time chamber again?
He went on ahead of us.
Gotcha. Man, he's really raring to go.
Yeah. Well,
Whoa, why is everyone so down in the dumps?
Goku, we've got some bad news. We can bring back a lot of people at once using just one wish with the Dragon Balls. Just like before, we can't bring back anybody that's died once already.
I'm sorry. I should have told you sooner.
What, that's all? Relax, Dende. We just won't die. It's as simple as that.
Won't die? You do know that we're up against Cell, right?
Yeah, I know. Anyway, let's get going. We're gonna be late.
How are you this calm? You're starting to freak me out.
Come on. You want to get left behind?
So, are you coming too, Krillin?
Yeah?
Ha!
Only 20 minutes left until the Cell games begin and the fate of the planet is decided. Cell can be seen standing motionless in the center of the ring. The vile monster, Cell, is threatening to wipe out all of humanity. Only one man can stand against such evil. The World Martial Arts Champion, Mr. Satan! That's right, Mr. Satan has come to save us from certain doom!
Listen up there, Cell. I got you all figured out. You used a bunch of light shows and trick bombs to destroy the city and the military. But let me tell you, those toys won't work on me.
Who is this clown? Vegeta, I'm surprised you've got the guts to come here and show your face. Well, looky here. You're still alive. And correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like you've had a little bit of work done.
They flew too, right?
Just another trick, that's all.
Hey, Gohan, Has your dad got something up his sleeve?
You're finally here. I've been waiting for you, Goku. I've been waiting.
The Cell Games begin.
That should be everyone. Welcome.
They all just flew, didn't they?
I guess that trick's pretty popular these days.
16! Looks like you're back in working order!
I owe you my thanks, Krillin. And you too, Gohan.
Glad to see you're better now, 16.
Let's give it our best.
Goku, I was created with the sole purpose of killing you. Do not forget this.
Man, this guy's nothing but gloom and doom.
It's time. Let us begin. I don't care who's first.
As the world martial arts champion, naturally that would be me.
That guy? He's dead meat.
I say we let him go for it. If, well, when he dies, we'll just bring him back with the Dragon Balls.
Jeez, guess we're gonna have to.
This is it, folks! The battle to protect the planet is finally underway! The Cell Games have begun!
Yeah! Take this! And that!
Oh, you're irritating.
Mr. Satan! Mr. Satan has been knocked out of the ring! He's lost the match!
Well then, let's begin the Cell Games, shall we?
Mr. Satan lost? But how?
I just lost my footing. I'm gonna take a break, and then I'm gonna mess him up real good.
He still doesn't have the slightest clue what he's dealing with. World champion my ass.
So, who's first?
Well, I guess I'll go first if that's okay.
Well, well. In the interest of transparency, I was hoping to save you for the end. Bring it. I can't wait to see what you can do. Let's end the warm-up here, shall we?
Fine by me.
What's this? I know you're holding something back, Goku.
You're one to talk. You're not fighting me seriously either.
Well, Goku, suddenly
You too.
fighters ought to be somewhat close to their abilities. I'm sure you would agree.
It's my turn now!
Very impressive indeed, Goku.
You're still messing around, aren't you?
Seems you have a knack for fighting, Goku.
I could say the same about you.
If I'm fighting the right person.
Same here. Kamehameha!
Well, well, look at you. I must say I'm rather impressed. I wasn't expecting to have this much fun. You better eat one of those senzu beans, Goku. I'm having way too much fun to stop now.
If we give Goku a senzu bean, and all of us team up on Cell, we can take him down.
That's enough, Trunks! You don't have any pride as a Saiyan, do you? And you don't know him at all. He would rather die than beat his opponent in such a way.
But if we just let this go on...
He can do it. I'm certain of it. I hate to admit it, but no matter what I do, I couldn't go beyond Kakarot's level. He's some sort of genius. But even as powerful as he is, Cell is still one step ahead of him.
So what are we supposed to do?
He's got something planned, I can tell. Let's just find out what that is.
What's wrong? Are you not feeling well? I don't want the fun to stop here.
You win. I'm dropping out. I've got a good idea how strong you are now, so I think I'm done now.
What? What? He's forfeiting the match? What the hell is he thinking?
Goku, you do know what you're saying, don't you? You do realize that once you've run out of people to fight me, every last person on the planet will have breathed their last breath.
You got the wrong idea. You still have plenty of people to go up against. Can I choose who goes next? Would that be okay with you?
Are you seriously going to forfeit?
I got a feeling about this next match. It'll probably be the last one. If your next opponent can't beat you, then it's safe to say that nobody can. But just based on what I was able to learn while fighting you myself, I'm pretty confident this guy will have no trouble taking you down.
What?
Get it now? That's why I'm fine with dropping out of this thing.
All right, you've piqued my interest. Just who is this mythical fighter you won't stop going on about?
The next one up to fight Cell is... He is the only one who's capable of taking down Cell.